Alrighty guys, what's going on? So today I want to talk to you guys about the fly glove from Level. These are a pretty serious pair of snowboarding and ski gloves. I would say, maybe they're kind of mid-range. They have a lot of really cool features, which is why I call them serious, but they're pretty much mid-range in terms of good snowboarding and ski gloves. And I want to talk to you guys about them because they have so many cool features that just make them really, really awesome overall. So to start, they are incredibly tough gloves, like built for serious snowboarding and skiing. If you're doing tricks, if you're going down, just bigger mountains, bigger trails, whatever, you're going to need a good pair of gloves to keep your hands strong, warm, dry, and also not too sweaty and gross. These do all of that very, very well. They have a really, really tough polyester shell on the outside, as you can see. It's really strong all around. Cool thing is, still very much flexible, so you can easily, move your hand. It's not an issue. You have the standard Kevlar palm right here. Really, really nice, really tough. I've had these for a couple years, and they're just great overall in terms of their durability. You can see these lasting for a very long time and not ever having to really get new ones ever again. Not ever again, but at least for a very, very long time if I take care of these. And they do come with this little Biomex protection strap, as you can see right here. These are great as they don't just act to keep out water, ice, or anything like that. They also act as sort of a wrist guard. Essentially what that means is, when you're snowboarding, when you're skiing, especially when you're skiing, not really much when you're snowboarding, but keeps your wrist in a good position. So you have that stability of your wrist, while it's still very, very much comfortable to move when you're inside of the glove, but you still have that stability of the wrist when you're moving around, which is great for when you're holding your poles, or if you're snowboarding or skiing and you fall and you maybe land on your hand, you could really hurt or break your wrist if you're not very careful. And so these kind of help to prevent that from happening at least a little bit more, which is great. And then obviously also they help to keep your gloves on and keep water and everything from coming in. They are longer profile gloves, so they do run down to your wrist, which is great. You can stuff the ends of these in your jacket to keep out ice and water. You also have this little pull strap at the end right here. Adds an extra level of tightness to it. I love this little strap right here. Essentially just allows you to hang it up or kind of stow it away when you're done. There's these other gloves that I have that use a carabiner. I kind of like that design, although these are pretty solid too. They are breathable, which is another great thing about these. As you can see, you have this little mesh. It's called the Level breathable system. Essentially, it lets moisture and air escape from inside your glove without letting anything in. So really, really cool. I don't know, just I think an ingenious sort of system that this comes with that allows to do that. You would almost expect it doesn't get cold or anything either. It's not like it's letting out or letting in a bunch of cold air either. So it's it's not like you have an open glove. It just makes things a little bit more breathable. That's pretty much the gist of it. Thanks to the little fingertips right here, they are built to remain strong, remain tough, which is cool. They don't really add this sort of material to many gloves, or at least a lot of the gloves that I have. I don't have this sort of material on here, so it's really, really nice that they've added it to the parts that you will be using and falling on the most, especially the palm. So it's extra tough. And you can tell they've really thought about the design and how people move and how people's bodies kind of function, and they've really it shows in the build. Yeah, overall these are excellent gloves, perfect for anyone who's into snow sports And yeah, I would highly recommend them. They are the Level Fly gloves. Yeah, go ahead and check them out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.